All right, we're here at 1121 Yale Street here in Santa Monica. Now, it's our understanding that they're going to remodel this house and gut it, which is going to be a very good idea because we looked at the piping underneath the house and it was really old and rotting away. And when we're running our camera from this 4-inch clean out underneath the house, when we're running it through the house, you can see a lot of roots in the cast iron pipe, really at the end of its life. So we have our camera pretty much going through the clean out underneath the house. There also is another clean out on the outside of the house. Right now we're actually in the city sewer, which runs down the sidewalk. So this is the city sewer right here, and there's your connection to the city. Has that got a lining?
Yeah.
Yes, it does have a lining. So as we come back, it's about 10 feet deep underneath the concrete sidewalk, right there by that big ficus tree. And you can see there are roots here in the line over here. It's a very old cast iron pipe. This pretty much at the end of its life. We're definitely going to recommend that this all be replaced, that the city put a new saddle onto the city sewer, and that this be replaced. You can see it's got roots in it. It's right there by the big ficus tree. So as we come back here, you can see this old cast iron pipe here. It keeps coming back and goes to some ABS plastic over here, and even around here there are some roots. So you're going to need to replace the pipe probably about 15 feet into the property, because you can see even this has roots in it over here. Now I don't know if they grew in from downstream, but it's hard to tell. But this is all ABS plastic out the front. So what we would definitely recommend, coming back from here through the front yard, it's all ABS plastic. This is all good over here. What we would probably recommend is that you replumb the house, bring it pretty much all the way up to the sidewalk, and then we'll install a new lateral going into the city connection. This is now going to start coming underneath the house here. You can see it's pretty much at the end of its life, this pipe. But you wanted to definitely get away, remove it. You can see the roots have gotten into it. So it's really at the end of its life. This is finished. Okay, here it comes back. Here we are underneath the house over here. We'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.